Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jerome and welcome to Digital Reality Art. And it says it in the name. I am an artist, a digital artist, and I'm here to talk about why I went from my $500 computer tablet back to the iPad. Alright guys, so I want to explain to you guys why I went from an iPad about 5-6 years ago to a computer setup with a beautiful drawing tablet and used that for about 2-3 years, and I went back to my iPad. I actually had to buy a new one, and it was all because of one program. Now I want to explain to you that the drawing tablet I had was no joke. It was a really good experience with the drawing tablet, and my experience with the X Pen 22E Pro was amazing. The pen pressure was on point, the pen weight was just the right weight, the 1080 22-inch screen was plenty of canvas, and the customizable shortcuts, keys for quick easy commands, and flexible and adjustable stands made to make drawing comfortable. And that should just let you know right there that the drawing tablet wasn't the problem. I mean, yes, of course you have to kind of keep it at your computer and kind of base your time and your schedule to be at your computer for a long periods of time, but it was really, for me anyways, was the drawing programs for the computer. And I use Krita, Photoshop, Adobe, and Sketchbook, and all of them just seemed overwhelming just with the UI just being so cluttered. It wasn't really user friendly, and for someone who has drawing experience, I just want to get into a program and just start drawing. You know, I don't want to spend 2-3 months trying to just figure out the UI on how to make things happen. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to look up 20-30 different YouTube videos on how to figure out a simple command. And then of course that brings us back to why I spent money. I spent a lot of money just to get this iPad Pro, the 3rd generation. It's like 11 and some change inches, and I'm not a tech reviewer, but I mean it has plenty of storage. It's portable. You know what I'm saying? That's probably like 80% of what makes the iPad so amazing. And like I said, I'm not a tech reviewer, but I'm pretty sure you can look up a video about this thing, and it definitely has a lot of power to handle all the drawings or the animations that you want to do on here, and including playing video games, watching videos, and taking notes. It's plenty of other things you can do on this tab, but when it comes to drawing, it's one program that I not just 90% on why I bought this thing, and that's Procreate. And when it comes to Procreate, the minimal UI display is amazing. The high quality brushes and brush types, and easy understanding for new users to jump right in and create amazing art. And it can do more than just drawing. I mean, 3D art, simple animation, and comic layouts makes it usable for anybody. And not only that, what's most important is regular updates. So that lets you know that Procreate is continuously trying to make it more usable and easier for its users. Now I'm sure later in the future I'm going to be showing you guys what I can do on Procreate and the reason why I ditched my $500 drawing tablet for a iPad and just Procreate. And I'm excited to show you guys the beautiful art, the portraits that I can do and share to the world. So go ahead, buckle up, subscribe, and let's start this journey together. Let's go.